How are you doing today? I'm doing great. I can't complain. Can't complain at all. I went and got my little Miss Sunshine yesterday and I had her and we enjoyed our time together and I got to see the new baby. She's so cute. My new viewers, I have a new grandbaby and I enjoyed my time with my granddaughter. You gotta love those grandbabies. There is definitely something special about a grandbaby. Okay, well, enough talking, enough chit-chatting. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw together this crock-pot meal. That's what you're here for. That's what you wanna see. Okay, so first of all, I've got my crock pot and I went ahead and I oiled it down. And I have got 2 pounds of chicken. These are chicken breast. This is Purdue chicken. I really like their chicken. And I did wash them. You don't have to. They say you don't, but I like to wash my chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put these in here. I'm gonna discard this bowl and I'm gonna wash my hands. Next ingredient is going to be Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili Sauce. This is so good. We are going to use 3/4 cup of this. So let's just go ahead and measure out 3/4 cup. I've got probably another 1/4 left in the bottle. I would almost pour it all on there, but I'm just gonna do 3/4 cup. Now what I'm using is some sriracha chili sauce, and I'm just gonna put maybe, I'm guessing at this. I'm making this up, y'all. Maybe a tablespoon. That looks like a tablespoon. And now we're gonna add some red pepper flakes. Now, when you're making a sweet chili chicken, you can add pineapples in here. You can add red pepper flakes. You just do you. My husband doesn't like pineapples, but I think pineapples in here would be wonderful. But I'm gonna sprinkle on some pepper flakes, and I've probably got maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're gonna put in some chicken broth. And I'm going to put, let's measure this. Let's do 1 cup, 1 cup. And then that way we are going to create a sauce and we're gonna put this over rice. And we'll come back later. If this is not thickened, we will thicken it. Just gonna add a little salt. Now, before I put the lid on this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. All right. Now we're just gonna let this cook on high for 4 hours. 4 hours later, let's check on this. It's looking good and it smells amazing. I did go ahead and flip my chicken, and I flipped it a couple of times throughout those 4 hours as well. My sauce is not as thick as I would like for it to be, so I am going to add a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch and about 1/4 cup of cold water. Mix it together. You want to get all the lumps out, and we're just going to pour this in. Let's give this a stir and mix that cornstarch in with your sauce. Then I shredded my chicken because we're going to serve this over rice. And I let this cook for another 30 minutes. My sauce thickened up and this chicken was so tender. This was so good. And if you guys do not like spicy, do not add the red pepper flakes, because this had some heat to it, but that's how my husband and I like it.